Alright guys, vlog number 1. Getting ready to take a tour of the old property this morning. Newly acquired piece on the Big Luscious Creek with the Big Luscious Trails and the Big Luscious yellow paint on the trees. On the Can-Am Outlander 500. I reckon this bike here for my boy. The creek, let's go see how high it is this morning. We got a tropical storm in the Gulf that's headed this way. Weather Channel's telling me, oh my God, it's gonna flood. Well, good, because we got mud boats for that, so let it flood. Ooh, that's a little steep, but put it in 4-wheel. Ew, that's yuck. That was nasty. Sand's a little deep over here. Dadgum. Ooh, look at that creek. Come on. Makes you just kind of want to bury your 4-wheeler off in it. Maybe not. Not today. We'll get to that. Just not today. We are gonna give this thing a good rinsing. All that mud. That sand smells like methane. Oh no, I think we're stuck. Oh, no wonder we got it 2-wheel peel. One more time. Oh yeah. Hold your breath. Going after this one.